Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring the prerequisites are set, then take the first actions. Turn on location history in your Google account because Timeline relies on saved location points. Make sure your device location is enabled and high accuracy is selected so points are precise. Once done, open Google Maps and tap your timeline from the side menu. This loads days and recorded routes. You'll immediately see recent places. Use the date picker to jump to a specific day and confirm data is present before proceeding. Next, you inspect the middle details and correct errors so the timeline reflects reality. Select a date and scan the map and list view for stop names and route segments. This helps you spot misidentified places. Tap any place to edit the name, move the pin, or correct arrival and departure times. This improves future summaries. If a stop shouldn't exist, delete it. Finally, tag key locations like home or work so future visits auto-classify and your timeline becomes more useful. To finish, you wrap up and safeguard or troubleshoot the timeline. Export your timeline via Google Takeout if you want a backup or deeper analysis, and clean up errors by deleting mistaken points one by one. If you need to stop tracking, pause location history in settings. If data is missing, make sure your device time zone and clock are correct. The Maps app has location permissions and background activity allowed, and sync is enabled. These steps usually resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.